This video is for those who want a specific color on computer taskbar but also want to see light mode in File Explorer, Windows 11 settings and other apps. Click Start, then select Settings, then Personalization and then Colors. Here select Custom next to choose your mode. Why? Because according to this Microsoft article, with light mode you cannot change the color of taskbar. So select custom mode. Then select dark option next to choose your default Windows mode. But select light mode option next to choose your default app mode. Choose manual next to accent color option. Now turn on the toggle button next to show accent color on start and taskbar option. Here choose any of your favorite colors to change the color of taskbar or select view colors, then more, and here enter your favorite color code.